In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a SurveyMonkey form in Mailerlite. We'll go through the full process from getting the embed code in SurveyMonkey to placing it inside a Mailerlite landing page or website page. This is a useful setup if you want visitors to complete a survey without leaving your page, and it helps create a smoother experience for your audience. To begin, log into your SurveyMonkey account and open the specific form or survey you want to embed. Once you're inside that survey, go to the Collect Responses section. This is where SurveyMonkey gives you different ways to share your survey, so make sure you choose the option for embedding it on a website. From there, select the Embedded Survey option. SurveyMonkey may show you a few display settings, and this is the point where you can customize how the survey appears if needed. For example, you may be able to adjust the size or presentation depending on the type of page you're adding it to. If the default settings look good, you can keep them as they are. Next, click Copy Code. This will copy the embed code that SurveyMonkey generates for your survey. That code is what you'll place into your Mailerlite page so the form can display properly. Now switch over to Mailerlite and log in. Once you're in your account, go to the Sites section, open the landing page or website where you want the SurveyMonkey form to appear, and then click Edit to launch the page editor. Inside the editor, look for the HTML or code block. This is the block you'll use to insert custom embed code. Drag that HTML block onto the page in the exact spot where you want the survey to be displayed. Placement matters here, so think about where it will be most visible and most useful for your visitors. After the block is in place, paste the SurveyMonkey embed code into the HTML block. Once the code is added, save your changes so Mailerlite can register the update. The next step is very important. Preview the page. This lets you confirm that the SurveyMonkey form loads correctly and appears the way you expect. If something looks off, double check that the full embed code was pasted correctly into the HTML block. Once everything looks good in preview mode and the form is loading properly, go ahead and publish the page or update it if it's already live. That's it. You've successfully embedded a SurveyMonkey form into Mailerlite, giving your visitors a seamless way to respond directly on your page.